Looking when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to the I can win a kiss. If you want some heaven, just let me know.
O Kali, ano ka rin tayo pumunta?
SM Trike.
Nanggawanta ka rin.
Mag-shopping tayo kita.
Mag-shopping tayo mo, wala tayo naman pera. Mag-window shopping tayo mo.
Ay, dati naman.
Disappointed!
Mangyalong tayo mo slime. With Elmer's glue.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. And gross.
Not bad, kid.
Gonna make a slime. Today, we were going to make a slime. Do you wanna come with us? Come with us. Whoa, 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 whoa. There's so many people in us. Whoa.
Later.
Finally, we have the parking. It's time. Let's go. Go get.
Percaya ito kami SM Clark ngayon eh. Today mangyari itang slime festival / plaything na ng Elmer's Glue. So shoutout kay Elmer's Glue, dakala salamat for inviting my family be part of your event. Excited di Galia. Let's go. Nano babo ang kabalin. Something na ako in-expect kayo nitang makayang karakalatao. And na makanin niya karakulit ang event. And as you can see, dakal talaga tao. Karakal danes.
Just tell me so. Hot mama, just a female and a mama. You should see the fellas meet you for a little love my smoocher. If you want some heaven, just let me know.
We had a wonderful time here at Elmer's Grand Slime Fair. So, dakala salamat kay Elmer's Group for doing this. You can say, Kalia, yung daughter ko.
Maybe you can promote your social media handle, sir?
Oh, yes. Please, if you're interested in the Kapampangan culture and the Kapampangan language, please like and subscribe to We The Local. That's on Facebook, facebook.com/WeTheLocal, and on YouTube, youtube.com/We The Local.
Alright, sir, please join us for the photo opportunity. And guys, good job, baby!
Okay, ito rin so nung buri yung experience mi gamig disaster kami ginawa kami kalat kami. Tawag kayo ng SM Clark. Gayang September 29 ining Elmer's Grand Slime Fair Festival. Fantastic. Alright, that's what's up. Nanong aburya mo? What did you like the most?
Pink.
Pink? Kini ka lumawi. What's your favorite color for the slime?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. Rainbow itong burima. Do you like making slimes?
I love you, Elmer's Glue.